Are you ready for swimming?
Yeah.
How about you, Zia? You ready
Yeah.
for swimming?
Yeah. See, I told you that one.
How about you, Ate? Let's swim. Ate, stop. Let me see, Zia.
Backstroke din na.
Yan. Okay.
Let's go take a shot.
Swim!
Excuse me.
Oh, what's up? Oh, nasaan ka? Oh my God!
Hindi ka kasi hindi.
Asan ka kanina? Nagtawag ako.
Wala, wala di mo siya tinawag.
Sasabi ka kay Sarah. Oh, wait. Second go.
Coach, first go na lang siya.
Hindi, up kayo, up, up.
Yeah, yeah.
Yan. Basta yung ko.
Oh, up, up! Justin! Justin! Kaya ko sinabing up eh. Oh, ready?
Tatalon sana ako eh. Papakita ko sana sila ng free diving. Wala, tired na.
Ate, I get a chair.
Up! Yan! Oh, ready?
Ate, this is the other chair. This is
Oh, wait, wait, wait. Sarah!
Boy! Ah! Nagka-allergy rin
Para
sila,
magsilaki
di ba?
yata sila ni Keke.
Kinamot ko. Tapos nasulan.
Kaya si Keke tumangkat tulo ka.
Mas matangkad si KK, matangkad siya.
Maganda daw, tapos bumabalik ko ba? Kapag kakabala ako ng tama ko. Tingnan mo. Para si tama ko lang ito, tingnan mo. Magkakabala na kita. Ayan na! Ayan na! Isa na lang, tatalunin mo siya! Ay, ayun!
Go, Zia!
Grabe! Isa na lang, tatalunin mo siya! Isa na lang! Go! Go! Isa na lang, hinahabol mo!
Go, Bella!
Go! Tapos na eh, sabi may bala pa. Bilisan mo ang bagat mo! Bilisan mo!
Inaano mo yung endurance ang kinaano dahil dapat kayo puro.
Maganda yan. Maganda
Tambol,
yan.
tambol, tambol!
Malakas
Go,
sila
bilis,
dyan.
bilis! Bilis! Wala ka nakasabay dyan! Dali! Bilisan mo!
Kasi nung dati po,
Endura.
ayaw pa isa.
Ayun na!
Atak tawon!
Galing niya! Yay! Galing mo, Sai!
Tumayo! King, tumayo! Makinig kayo dito. Oh. Ito, Sarah. Yan.
Parang may lalabanan tayo ah.
Siyempre mga tinalo mo. Parang Lucio. Yan.
Ay, palagi
Oh, pili ka sa mong gusto. Dito, dito. Pili. Oh, diyan ka lang ganyan. Yan. Ikaw na pili, ha? Ready?
Coach, kanina kayas?
Oh, di, okay na. Okay na yan.
King, para di ka sure.
Oh, all swim freestyle 50.
Halos dikit lang ah. Go, Zara! Ate, kick ha, kick! Wala, bilis niya. Zia, kick ka Zia. Zia, kick, kick, kick.
Mag-aabot yan sa dulo. Ayan na, mag-aabot sa dulo yan.
Ala, naghabulan na. Ang ganda ng dive ng isa.
Sabay na lang kayo.
Zia, Zia, faster Zia, Zia, faster, faster, Zia. Faster Zia, faster. Faster.
That's siya kay, kay Sarah. I'm unstoppable! I can't use security guard. Nobody messes with me. If somebody messes with me, my security guard will attack them. Tignan daw natin.
Aray, gago.
Kay, tulak mo na sila Kay. Yan.
What do you think that you can spell is fart?
That's not even a word.
Fart! Fart! F-A-R-T. Fart!
How about sweet?
W-I-M.
Bye-bye.
Even pancake?
Yeah, pancake.
Because I've seen this YouTuber, this mother's making a style in their kid's lunchbox.
Zia, wait.
What does she look like there?
Oh,
Am I starting getting faster?
I'll get some water.
Then am I starting to get faster?
Yeah, I'll tell you later in the car. Zia, water.
Are you
You're scary.
Yeah.
You're scary.
Roar.
You mean the terrifying
Roar.
story? You mean the terrifying?
Zia.
Roar. Brrrr.
No.
Wow, marunong na.
Fine, fine. What is the most dog?
Are you tired?
What's the most popular dog that is famous and fearless? Fearless. Is it a German Shepherd? Fearless. No. Is it German Shepherd? Dad, how do you make videos?
Huh?
How do you make videos in your channel?
I'll show you.
Okay. I'm saying. Mom. I'm saying.
Oh, let's go na. Let's go home.
Okay.